Should your nonprofit use Snapchat? So first of all, Snapchat is a mobile app that lets users send videos and pictures that disappear within seconds. In terms of an overview, Snapchat, by the numbers, it was launched in 2011, like I said before. Right now, there are about 100 million users, 6 billion video views every day. That seems like a lot, but it's actually nothing compared to Facebook. 86% of Snapchat users fall within 13 to 37. So we're talking about young millennials. There's $100,000, that's a minimum ad budget. So at this point, Snapchat, you really can't advertise on it unless you have a lot of money. So it's really not a platform that is being opened up to all the brands, which is, in a sense, kind of what Snapchat users love about it, is that it's a place where people can kind of hang out, be themselves, and have fun, and not worry about big brands coming in and spamming them with ridiculous messages. Okay? So what do users love about Snapchat?